This video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware called VirtualBalance. This VirtualBalance is the adware belonging to the adload family of adware type infections. VirtualBalance adware, once installed, may start displaying the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. So, if this VirtualBalance was somehow installed to your computer, of course, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware as soon as you can. Otherwise, this adware may damage your entire computer, and it may also redirect you to many other dangerous places in the internet. So, if it was installed to your system some way or another, you need to get rid of this adware. So, find this VirtualBalance, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may obtain on the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the computer with its help to detect and eliminate other infections from your system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.